In this video, I will be showing you how to install Docker on macOS. So let's get started. For this, just search for Docker and we'll be having the official link. Select it and here just hover over products and we'll be having here Docker desktop under application development. Just click it. Here we are having the download Docker desktop button. If you hover over it, we'll be having the download option for Linux, Windows as well as Mac. I'm using Mac Apple Silicon, which is the M series chip. If you're having the Intel chip, you need to click on this one. So I will just select this. The download will be getting started. It is around 547 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We need to drag and drop it into applications. This will take some time to copy Docker to applications, so just be patient. Once it is done, you can simply close it and here you will be having the apps. As you can see, the first one is Docker. Open it. Just click on open. Click on allow here and just read the agreement. After that, select accept. We'll be getting this finish setting up Docker setup. I'm fine with the recommended one. I will just select finish and just type your password here and we'll be getting welcome to Docker. If you're already having an account or if you want to create an account, you can do that over here, or else you can simply click on skip. And that's it. Our Docker interface will be loaded. Here we are having the containers, images, volume, Kubernetes. You can just go through it, okay? And you can even get info about the Docker stuff from terminal also. So just open terminal, docker version, like run the Docker commands and get some information about the Docker containers or images. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.